Hello, welcome to the video. Today I am making little dough balls filled with cheese. Here I am struggling to crack an egg. Pouring the powder in and the milk. Yummy! You were actually supposed to use a mixer for this, but I think... Oh gosh, bless you. I think my arms are strong enough, so if you can't tell, it's currently 10:48 p.m. A little bit past my bedtime. Very tired. These took a long time. Now I am getting the paper, got the cheese. Okay, this was actually so smart. Do you guys see this? Split it in half and then split it in half again. There I am, cutting the cheese. Wow, look at those skills. I think I should be a baker. It's very nice. There's the last one. Thumbs up. Yay. Now this is where I got things wrong. So I read it as 180 Fahrenheit, not Celsius. So yeah. Anyway. So I didn't know this yet. So I'm still yeah. I still think everything is fine when nothing is fine. This is where I checked to see if it was cooked. I'm struggling a little bit. Yes, you are. And then, so I just decided to air fry it because I was like, whatever. Barely cooked. Obviously, because it was cooking at 180 Fahrenheit, not Celsius. And then here I am, killing the time. Whirlpool. The sink was not turning off. And then this is where I started getting a little hangry. Oh gosh, sorry. This is where it's finished. There we go. Now they look cooked. I'm so tired. And my parents rated it.
이건 치즈 안 들어가.
맛있어?
나는 치즈 있는 거 먹고 싶고 너무 뜨거워서 못 먹어.
그릇을 갖고 와.
우와. 우와. 너무 좋아.
Okay.
어때? 괜찮아? 치즈로?
Okay.
다행이다.
And here I am eating it. It was pretty good.
네?
Oh, struggling a little bit.
그렇게 비싸지도 않더라고.
Yes, it was really good. Overall, I give this a 10 out of 10, minus the part where I thought Celsius was Fahrenheit. Like an idiot. But it's okay, because it's good. Okay, bye.